अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू डेली जॉब्स अपडेट्स एंड जीके। तो व्यूअर्स, आज जो हमारी वीडियो का टॉपिक है वो है जितने भी पीपीएससी के पास्ट पेपर में इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चंस आए हैं वो आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस कर लेंगे। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकॉन पे भी प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि जो भी लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स हों वो आपको जल्द से जल्द मिल सकें। वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक लाजमी देखिएगा। तो सबसे पहले हम इंग्लिश का जो सिलेबस है डिफरेंट पोस्ट के लिए वो देखते हैं क्या पीपीएससी के ऐड में मेंशन किया गया है। जो सब इंस्पेक्टर वाली ऐड थी उसमें जो इंग्लिश के टॉपिक्स बताए गए हैं वो है सिनोनियम्स, एंटोनियम्स, सेंटेंस करेक्शन, कंप्लीशन और इडियम्स। सब इंस्पेक्टर में के पेपर में जो 40% का पोर्शन होगा वो इंग्लिश का होगा और ये टॉपिक से आएगा। आगे देखते हैं चीफ ऑफिसर म्यूनिसिपल ऑफिसर के पेपर में 20 मार्क्स इंग्लिश के होंगे। उसमें सिनोनियम्स होंगे, एंटोनियम्स होंगे, सेंटेंस करेक्शन होगी, कंप्लीशन होगी, वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन और इडियम्स होंगे। उसके बाद जो हमारे पास तहसीलदार और नायब तहसीलदार का पेपर है इसमें एक अलहदा से पूरा पेपर डेडिकेटेड पेपर इंग्लिश का होगा। इंग्लिश कंप्रीहेंशन और कंपोजिशन का। कंपोजिशन में हमारे पास सिनोनिम्स आएंगे, एंटोनियम्स, सेंटेंस करेक्शन, कंप्लीशन, वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन और इडियम। इसके अलावा प्रेपोजिशन, पैसिव वॉइस, ये तो लेकिन जो ऐड में मेंशन किए गए हैं पीपीएससी की दो में वो यही टॉपिक है। इसके अलावा भी आ सकता है। इसके अलावा जो कंप्रीहेंशन का है वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो अब हम देखते हैं कि पीपीएससी के जो प्रीवियस पेपर में इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चन आए हैं वो कौन कौन से। सबसे पहले हम इडियम्स देखते हैं। तो फर्स्ट हमारे पास इडियम्स है डायमंड कट डायमंड। इसका मीनिंग है रिटेलिएशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वंस इन अ ब्लू मून मीन्स रेयरली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, फील ब्लू मीन्स फीलिंग सैड। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है टू फेस द म्यूजिक, टू बियर द कंसिक्वेंसेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, टू बरी द हैजेट, टू मेक पीस। उसके बाद बेटर हाफ वाइफ, टू वाइप आउट इरेडिकेट, अ फेयर वेदर फ्रेंड फॉल्स फ्रेंड, टू गिव out smoking, stop smoking, out of question, impossible, a queer fish, a strange person, all and sundry, everyone, house of cards, a weak structure, a bone of contention, cause of quarrel. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, fender bender, a small car accident by leaps and bounds very fast, by hook or by crook, by any means. आगे कुछ idioms देखते हैं। heat up का angry और agitated, I wash misleading statement, out of sight, out of mind, to hit the road, to start the journey, to cut long story short, come to the point, with open arms warmly, the alpha and omega, beginning and end, beat about the bush, to avoid the main topic, casting vote, deciding vote, beer and bull stroke, rise and fall, a cock and bull story, a foolish and concocted story, a piece of cake, an easy task, just good enough, good for। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है ये इडियम्स आप लोगों ने लाजमी देख लेने क्योंकि इनमें से मस्ट इडियम्स रिपीट होंगे आने वाली कोर्स में। एयरहेड का हमारे पास स्टूपिड पर्सन, टू क्लिप द विंग्स, पुट लिमिट्स, डी डे, इम्पोर्टेंट डे, कैपिटल पनिशमेंट, डेथ सेंटेंस, प्रोज एंड कॉन्स, फॉर एंड अगेंस्ट, kith and kin, blood relations, ins and outs, all the details, blue eye boy, favorite person, fourth state, press, media, a guardian note, a difficult task, to cut the cake, celebrate birthday, mixed feelings, not clear feelings, or feelings of hate and love both, a leading question, a question suggesting an answer, to lose the heart, discouraged, to try, wolf, to give false alarm, to be at arm's length, at a distance, gift of the gab, fluency of speech. In a jiffy, without any delay, to be green-eyed, jealous, under a cloud, out of favor, on the fence, undecided, rule of thumb, a rough as estimate, a slap on the wrist, warning and small punishment, to hit below the belt, to fight unfairly, to bear the brunt, to make an easy choice, have an axe to grind, selfish motive, let sleeping dogs lie, to avoid restarting a conflict. To be in two minds, to be uncertain, to pull strings, to tease someone, burn the midnight oil, stay awake. Question number 61 है rides the high horse superior to egg on, to urge, wheel and woe, joys and sorrows, eat anyone's salt, to be one guest. Speak and span, clean and clear, to jazz up means make something more exciting. Swan song, last work, clique meaning a group of people. Prosaic mean dull, Banton mean good manners, all hours mean at irregular time. De novo means new, inter alia in between, in route on the way, to make amends for, to compensate for damage. Brain drain means migration of skilled labor to other countries. Question number 77 हमारे पास de jure means by law. Hell hath no fury like a woman scorned. Tie the knot getting married. The government ruled by women. Petticoat government. One trick foxy means a person having one special features or area of expert. Apple pie order means neat and tidy. Hold one's horse means having patience. Give cold shoulder means to ignore. To catch a turtle means to catch a dangerous person. To make clean breaststroke means to confess without reverse. Turn head means attract a lot of attention. Touch potato means lazy person. At at sea means puzzled. Off and on means patiently. 91 go Dutch means share the cost of something black and blue full of bruises. A litmus test means a decisively indicative test, icing on the cake, an attractive but innocent addition or enhancement. When pigs fly, something that will never happen or impossible. Raining cats and dogs raining very heavily. Keep at bay means keep at distance. Art at the drop of the hat, done easily without any preparation. Your guess is as good as mine means to have no idea. For cry from means very different from. तो व्यूवर्स ये कुछ idioms थे जो मैंने इस वीडियो में शेयर किए हैं आगे अब हम देखते हैं जो भी कुछ मिक्स्ड क्वेश्चन जो इंग्लिश के रिपीट हुए हैं इनमें हमारे पास सिनोनिम्स भी होंगे prepositions भी होंगी वो भी देखते हैं तब क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हमारे पास एवरी वन इज इग्नोरेंट ऑफ समथिंग profane means unholy haughty means disdainful synonym of delete is remove Khalid is as tall as if no taller than Naveed. Antonium of liberty is freedom. There is an eraser at the end of my pencil. Do not change horses in midstream. Change the voice. People speak English all over the world. English is spoken by the people all over the world. Amis Curai means friend of the code. ये बहुत दफा रिपीट हो चुका है क्वेश्चन Jargon means gibberish. Synonym of acrimony is bitterness. There is no reason why we get up early in the morning. Inter alia means among other things. You cannot have your cake and eat it. Abdul said it is 4 o'clock now. Smartly correct indirect. Abdul told that it was 4 o'clock then. He lived in model town in Lahore. To take a leaf out of someone's book means to imitate or emulate someone in particular way. Who is knocking at the door? This work is beyond his capacity. What is the synonym of serene, calm and peaceful? Ambiguous means hazy, vague, opposite of restive, calm. Its synonym is restless. Fallacious means misleading. His health has run down. Alma mater means one college or university. They argue about everything in the bitter end. Akbar will look after my work in my absence. I always have lunch in my office. He feeds on flattery. He was almost fainted with hunger. To beg the question means to raise objection. I must start at dawn to reach the station in time. He is cut out partnership. One should be patient with bearing misfortune. I have known him for a long time. He was not allowed to sit for the examination. I said it upon his face. Do not let him deceive you. He sat under the shades of tree. He ran more quickly, underlining means what is more quickly is adverb. He visited bazaar to buy books. The underlining to buy is infinite. He could he delighted in playing with children. Antonyms of entice is repulse. Antonym of perilous is safe. Synonym of bitter is deceive. Synonym of bearish. Bristol is rise. Antonym of gamble is down. It is to adhere the rules of your parents. Accommodation. Creativity allows languages to accommodate new meaning and message. Which is meaning of word monitor, observe. Synonym of anguish is agony. Euphonious is opposite to cacophonic. Enormous means huge. He complained of chest pain and went to doctor. Antonym of ephemeral is permanent. You should lay by some money for your future. One who cannot be changed or reformed is incorrigible. What is opposite of indolent? It is energetic. His meaning of meander, a curved path. Choose the correct spelling. It is clearly D option right. The jury acquitted him of murder. The author of the book Time Machine is H.G. Wells. Turn to passive voice. The child chose the hat. The hat was chosen by child. What is meaning of to take through one's head? To talk nonsense. Change the voice. Who teaches you English? By whom you are taught English? What is the antonym of hypocrious? Harmonious. Synonym of proscribed is prohibited. What is meaning of pipe dream? An impracticable wish. The cake was shared between Arania and Farhan. Change the voice. The give is riding the horse. The girl is riding the horse is being ridden by the girl. The horseman pulled the reins of horse. I shall abide by my promise. The synonym of exemplify is illustrate. What is the antonym of pacific? Aggressive. His voice gets on my nerves. Let sleeping dogs lie. Meaning is to avoid restarting a conflict. She said, go upstairs. Convert into indirect. She told me to go upstairs. The merchant deals in silk golds. This is the last page of our today's video. What is the synonym of benediction? Blessing. What is similar meaning of trespass? Intrude. You can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make him drink. He is interested in coin collection. The Republic written by Plato. Change wise, they would not agree to my proposal. My proposal would not be agreed to by them. Synonym of homogeneous is similar. Antonym of force is delicate. We will go there on foot. Birds of feather flock together. Spill the bean means to reveal secrets. They laugh at the beggars. तो थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग टुडेज वीडियो व्यूवर्स। तो जो अगली हमारी वीडियो होगी वो इंशाल्लाह सिनोनियम हम उसमें डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकॉन पे भी प्रेस कर लीजिए और कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना फीडबैक जरूर दीजिएगा। टेक केयर।